How long have you studied English? How long?
I have studied English here for 3 years.
What's your name?
My name is น้ำตาล
How about you?
My name is Monica.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
12 years old.
Okay, good job. Where do you live?
I live in หนองพญา village.
How about you?
I live in Nong Panya village.
It's the same. Where do you study?
I study at พุทธสวัสดิ์ School.
How about you?
I study at Sati School.
So right now I want to know where do you study English?
I study English at Anosai English Center.
How about you?
I study English at Anosai English Center.
Anosai English Center. How long have you studied English?
I have studied English here for 3 years.
So long. How about you?
I have studied English here for 3 years.
So why do you study English?
Because I study English is very important.
Okay, great job. That is finished already. That's finished my questions. It's a little bit. Good job. Good job. Clap your hand. Clap. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sydney.
How about
My
you?
name is Nampet.
How old are you?
8 years old.
8 years old. How are you?
9 years old.
Where do you study?
I study East Vachana School.
That's not soon. How about you?
I study at local Sikam School.
Where do you live?
I live in หนองพญา village.
How about you?
I live in หนองพญา village.
Wow, good job. So do you have brother or sister?
I have sister. I don't have brother.
How about you?
Have.
You don't have. Okay, good job. So can you count the number from 1 to 10?
Yes.
Okay, together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How about the Monday to the Sunday?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wow, good job. Excellent. By the camera.